Everyone needs a good dock now and then. Burdock is one of my favorites next to yellow dock and narrow dock. Burdock I like for when you need a good dock for digestive, for detoxifying, for skin care, for your hair health, and for balancing your insulin levels and regulating blood sugar. Burdock is a good dock for cardiovascular health, for immune support, for antioxidant properties and reducing the risk of certain cancers. Why not have a good dock? You can pick up some burdock at Perry's Place LLC for herbs, teas, and more in downtown Cedar Springs, 90 North Main Street. See you soon.